Today's adventure, we are in Atlanta, Georgia, and this place is all about bowling. It's a combination of football and bowling that originated in Michigan. This is Fowling Warehouse, Atlanta. Let's go check it out. Believe it or not, bowling was accidentally invented by a group of friends that were tailgating the Indianapolis 500, who just so happened to have a football, some bowling pins, and the kind of incidental genius that only a bunch of dudes at a tailgate would have. The game has since evolved. Joe Saylor, the managing partner here at Fowling Warehouse Atlanta, stopped by to fill us in on everything we needed to know.
Bowling is a fun game where you throw a football at bowling pins. It's a cousin to cornhole. You're playing with a teammate. So you and I are together. We're trying to knock down 10 pins about 45 feet away. The team down there is trying to knock down the pins in front of you and I. You and I play a little defense, and the bouncing balls from the other lanes, we got to be on guard for. Exactly, so it keeps everybody entertained. You can enjoy a beverage while you're playing, but if you're competitive, stay on task so you make sure you're protecting those pins.
I did not know about the defensive side, like from another game. Like you're saying that if it happens to go this way and it knocks your pins down, it still counts.
A pin down is a pin down. From another lane, that's called collateral damage.
Okay.
All
right, so I think I'm getting the gist of the game now, but what about the rules?
If you and I, Nate, are on the same team, we're down here together trying to knock down those 10 pins. Our opponent is down there trying to do the same thing at these pins in front of us.
Okay.
Now, you're an experienced thrower. You're going to throw behind the shell line.
Okay.
So you would throw the ball, you knock down some pins. When those pins are knocked down, once they come to a stop, the other team grabs them and sits them against that wood rail.
Okay.
Get them out of your way. That team member now throws the ball. You and I do the same thing. We may not touch the ball till it crosses the yellow line. So this or this would be cheating. Once it crosses the yellow line, you want to grab it because if it would ricochet and come back and knock down pins, that would help our opponent, right?
We don't want that.
We don't want that because we want to knock down those 10.
Yep.
And remember I talked about collateral damage?
Yes.
So our neighbor's ball, you can ignore the yellow line. Ball comes bouncing over, you grab the ball, give it back to your neighbor, get back in position, ready. We're on no clock, we're in no rush. The only way you win is to knock down 10 pins before the other team.
Before we hit the lanes, my new friend Joe had a few helpful tips for us to maximize our games. We're gonna need it. All right, the teams are set. Let's see what this bowling is all about.
Okay, yeah, I work here.
Hey, what's your handicap? Okay, not exactly the start we were looking for, but until they've got every single one of our pins down, we've still got a chance. I think it might be time to switch up our strategy. They got up early. We fought, we battled, we grinded, down to one pin. If I hit this, you have to like and subscribe.
Oh, so close.
Hey, please do it anyway. We really need the support. Okay, they finally did it. Give me just one more shot.
Actually, go ahead.
I don't know if bowling has ever been on the SportsCenter top 10 before, but that shot was definitely worth it. So what do you do after a hard-fought battle out on the lanes? You go get a beer, of course.
Here at Fowling Atlanta, we have something called bottoms up. The beer pours from the bottom. That's why if you notice there's a magnet there, okay? So as we pour the beer, it pushes the magnet up short term, then it drops back into position to give you a nice full beer. So let's go ahead and pour one. You ready? We smack it, and it fills from the bottom, pushes the magnet out of the way. It automatically shuts off at the right time. Then you have a perfect beer, and the magnet reseats itself to enjoy.
They've got a huge variety here, including plenty of liquor options as well. And when you get hungry, they do have some great snackable options for food as well. We've got to get moving on to the next adventure, but before we go, I need to try something. So that was Fowling Warehouse Atlanta. I still have a little bit something to prove with my bowling skills, so if I hit this, you really have to like and subscribe, but for now, I'll see you at the next place. I don't know. Thank you to our partners at Rides For You for supporting our show. Rides For You is the source for all of your amusement equipment needs. They supply both new and used rides to carnivals, parks, and family entertainment centers in the US and across the globe. For more information, head to ridesforyou.com, which is linked in our description.